Ça, c'est Makeup Shayla. Ça, c'est Makeup Shayla. Hein? Shayla. Hein? Shayla. Je suis important, hein? Today's video is all about fall. I am excited about fall. I love fall. I love dark colors. I love the transition. I love the fashion. I love the makeup. I love the lips. Fall is finally here. For français, pour tous mes subscribers qui parlent français avec aussi des gars là, comment ça va? Hein? J'étais en train de dire que comment on dit fall en français? On est en train de changer les saisons. On part from été to my lily parce que je sais pas comment on dit fall en français. On va dire lingala. Toujours qu'il est from moto to my lily. Hein? J'aime quand il fait froid d'ailleurs parce que les habits changent. J'aime porter les tricots. Je suis prêt. Je suis vraiment content. Oh merci Jésus. Hein? Les gens qui portent les culottes là, des coupées, c'est comme s'ils portent les caleçons. Ils vont bientôt porter les pantalons, les vrais habits. Merci Jésus. Aujourd'hui, je vais vous montrer mon maquillage. Pour pas oublier, hein, comment ça a été pour subscribe. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm excited to show you guys this look, especially with the red lipstick. Okay, before we get started, I want to talk about this lip kit that I purchased from Colourpop. Avant qu'on commence, je vais vous montrer les rouges à lèvres que j'ai acheté dans un site qui s'appelle Colourpop. Je vais laisser le site en bas si tu as jamais écouté les Colourpop. This is very exciting to me because this is one of my favorite. She's one of my favorite influencers here on YouTube, and she finally is doing her thing. Like, she's been doing her thing for a long time, but she's really like out there doing the everyday I'm hustling. You know, she's really doing it. So she came out with these lip kit bundle, or this lip bundle kit. I'm going to be using one of them on my own lips because they're mine. And yeah, avant qu'on commence, je vais montrer cette paquet ici. Elle a fait sortir le rouge à lèvres pour son anniversaire avec cette compagnie qui s'appelle Colourpop. Il y en a trois différentes couleurs. Je vais pas porter tous les trois, and I'm really excited. The three different colors that she came out with was Drippin', Came through drippin'. She came out with Drippin', Shade 8, and Season 10. And all of these are, one is a glossy lip, and the two, which is Shade 8 and Season 10, are matte lips. And I'm very excited to try it out. So today's look is going to be my go-to fall look. This is Season 10. Cette couleur c'est rouge, et ça s'appelle Saison 10. This is how it looks. The red looks beautiful. It looks really nice for a red color, and I love red lipstick. I'm like obsessed with red lipstick. I just purchased like a couple. I feel like I talked enough. Let's just get into this tutorial. Okay, so as far as primer, I normally prime my face with my e.l.f. setting spray, and then after that, I know I told myself I'll stop using this, but my face right now isn't in need of this. I go in with my Milk of Magnesia. I don't put it on my entire face. I just put it like on my T-zone area where I get oily the most. Je commence avec d'abord mettre ça dans ma figure, parce que quand je mets ça dans ma figure, ça m'aide pour que mon maquillage ça reste toute la journée. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to be using my NYX eyebrow gel, the cream in the color Espresso pour mes poils des yeux, mon sourcil. Je vais utiliser ça ici, ça s'appelle NYX NYX. Pour ça aide pour que ça dure un peu pour toute la journée. Sometimes this thing right here gets super hard. I'm not sure if anyone else's does this, but after a while, when I don't use it for a while, it gets super hard. So instead of taking it out from where it's supposed to come out, I just cut it up. We're gonna brush it out so we can even it out. I'm going to go in with my eyebrows, and I'm going to use my MAC Pro Concealer in the color NC45. Avec mes sourcils, je vais utiliser mon MAC en les couleurs NC45 parce que ça va t'aider. Tu veux pas que quand tu finis de faire ça, c'est tout que tu fais. Non, il faut aussi utiliser ça pour que ça te donne un peu de l'éclaircissance. But yeah, I'm gonna use this to clear my little mess that I put on my face. If you want, you can use this to also color correct. Si tu veux, tu peux aussi utiliser ça pour enlever tes taches. Ooh! Babotezo bima. And tu regardes. Now I'm about to use my favorite foundation of them all, and it's kind of dirty because I lost the top, but it's okay. I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty in the color 430, but I like my foundation to match my neck. And you don't want too much of this, because too much of this will make your face orange. Tu veux pas mettre beaucoup de ça, parce que si tu mets beaucoup de ça, tu vas être orange. Okay? That's the only thing about doing your eyebrows first, is try not to mess it up. So now I'm going to go right back in with my MAC. Je vais rentrer avec ça. Préfère rentrer, hein. Tu comprends? Je vais mettre ça ici dans mes yeux, en dessous de mes yeux. Voilà. But anyway, next I am going to be contouring my face. I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty, the color Espresso. And this will help my little round orange face. Sorry. It's going to help my little round face. Ça ici, ça va m'aider pour que, parce que ma figure c'est un peu rond. Un peu, mais c'est trop rond. Et ça va aider pour que je me vois comme si je suis maigrie. Hein? J'ai maigri. Yeah. I don't really contour my forehead because I don't have one. So for my under eye, I'm going to use my Sacha Buttercup. I love the setting powder. It's so good. Pour mon en bas des yeux, il faut que tu prends un poudre, tu mets ça, parce que si tu n'utilises pas les poudres, ça va pas durer. Voila. I'm sorry if I keep looking at myself. Pardon. Il faut que je te regarde. Je suis vraiment impoli. This time around, I'm not going to use my MAC. I'm going to conceal my eyes with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, because this one actually works a lot better as a primer on my eyelids. J'utilise ça pour mes yeux avant que je mette des couleurs. J'utilise ça pour mes yeux. Before we move on to the next one, I'm going to go ahead and set this one because I have like extra skin. So my extra skin sometimes acts up and it creases up. So I'm going to go back in and put this. So we're going to let that set. And next, I'm going to set my contour. And for that, I'm going to be using my contour palette that my sister, I'm going to give her props for this. My sister bought off of Amazon. Tala to kondi makasi, huh? To kondi kakaboy. 2-step and we already lost a couple pounds because of contour. But now I'm going to move this out the way. We are going to dust it all off. So before we move on to anything else, I like to set my powder because I'm just that extra. I don't like that powdery look that I get after I set my foundation and set my under eye. I hate that look. I'm going with my Makeup Revolution Pro Fix oil setting spray. Oil control fixing setting spray, and I'm going to spray it on my face. Okay, now that we got that all over done, got it together, now we're gonna move on to the eyes. I love the eyes. On va maintenant commencer avec les maquillages, hein. Tout ça, les autres là, c'était pas vraiment, c'était important, mais c'était pas vraiment, c'était comme ci comme ça. We're gonna move on to my favorite part, which is the eyeshadow. So for my eyes, I'm gonna be using my Makeup Shayla Perception Palette. Dun dun dun. It's not really supposed to be scary. It's supposed to be like a dun dun yay type of thing. We're gonna just be using one color, so we're not gonna hype it up like that because we're only using one color from the palette, and it's going to be my crease color. So for my crease, I'm going to be using this color right here, which is Played Out. On va utiliser cette couleur aussi si tu n'as pas compris. Cette couleur-ci, ça s'appelle Played Out. J'ai acheté ça au Colourpop. So with my crease, I've learned that doing this is a lot better before going all in. I've been looking for browns that actually do the job like this brown does. This brown is by far the best brown I have ever used for my crease. Je tente de chercher pour cette sorte de couleur. Il y en a pas beaucoup de les poudres des yeux qui fait cette couleur comme ça. So maintenant, on va utiliser une autre brosse. We're going to use another brush just to make sure that my crease is blended. It's very important to blend your crease because that's what really brings out your whole entire makeup eye look. So yeah. So this brush right here has nothing on it. Y en a rien. Y en a rien. Nothing. Et l'autre côté. Ça va m'aider pour que j'enlève tous les autres couleurs. Tu vas souvent voir. It has nothing on it. I've learned this trick just by playing with my eyes. I've learned that when you go back in with just the brush with nothing on it, it makes your crease a lot better. Like, look. See the difference? This is why I'm not a makeup artist. This is just too much. I get more workout with my makeup than my own workout with my entire body. Now that we are done with this palette, I love this palette because of the mirror. The mirror is so big. J'adore cette palette. Ces trucs ici parce que les miroirs c'est grand. Okay, so next I'm going to be using my Cara Beauty Embrace Me palette. You see the difference between this mirror right here and this mirror right here? Y'all see the difference? But I'm going to be using this color right here. J'ai utilisé cette couleur ici. Je vais faire la même chose que j'ai fait ici, mais je vais utiliser cette couleur avant que je mets ça seulement comme ça avec les autres. Quelle sorte d'impoli ça, hein? So je vais utiliser ça. La même couleur. Oops, sorry. La même couleur. Just keep swimming. And I'm just gonna wipe it all in there. I'm gonna do the same thing I did with my crease underneath my eyes because it will make it pop, you know. And I'm gonna use my played out, just the same thing, but I'm gonna use my we're not even gonna try that. And it's gonna be the 725 brush, that same small low angle brush. And I'm now gonna use this color right here that I did with the same with my crease underneath my eyes. It's really important that you repeat the same process. If you don't like that, you don't have to. Sometimes I don't do it, but I find it a lot better. That same brush, and I'm just gonna blend everything. Oh, la même brosse, je vais mélanger tout. I'm gonna be using Cara Beauty, and this time around, because I'm wearing red lipstick, I don't want to overdo my eyes. I'm gonna be using this color right here, and with that, I'm gonna be using my favorite brush of them all. This brush right here by BH Cosmetic is the color. It's the number 103 brush. Je vais utiliser cette brosse ici, c'est mon préféré brosse. Et je peux utiliser cette couleur ici. Attends, yeah. Cette couleur ici pour mes yeux. Parce que j'ai en train de porter les couleurs rouges pour mon rouge à lèvres. Je vais pas mettre beaucoup dans mes yeux. So now I'm gonna go in with that same brush, which has nothing on it, and I'm just gonna get the top of it. Just keep blending, blending. I normally don't wear eyeliner, but it depends on the look because I want to be extra. I'm going to be using my NYX. Oh, we gotta put an attitude. My NYX, that's the point. Okay, that's what it says. You just have to say it with attitude. My NYX, that's the point, huh? My NYX, ça, c'est la pointe. My NYX, Okoyoka by points. Okay, that's not okay. Never mind. I'm so happy I know how to do cat eyes now. Thank you, NYX. That's the point. Ça, c'est la pointe. Ça, boyebi. Ça, nasali. Que Dieu vous bénisse. Okay. So now that I got that done, I'm going to be doing my lashes. For my lashes, I'm gonna be using my Ardell lashes. And I'm gonna just let my eyes do its thing for right now. And now I'm gonna go in with my MAC Studio Fix. I don't even know if it's a psych. No. I'm gonna go in with my MAC Mineralizer Skin Finish. Shout out to my sister-in-law Miriam. She was like, "Yeah, this is bomb," so I went and copped it. This is called Perfectly Lit, and I'm gonna use this as my bronzer. je vais utiliser ça. Ça s'appelle MAC Mineralizer Skin Finish. So for my blush, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place palette. This is actually for your eyes. I use it as a blush. So I'm going to use this color right here as a blush, this color right here. Because we're wearing a red lipstick, I don't want my blush to be a little bit too much. I'm just use a little bit of it. And it's called Zulu. Zulu. Ça s'appelle Zulu. Zulu, hein? Tu vas pas parler con. Sorry. And I'm gonna go back in with my blush. I do this a lot. I'm gonna use a different blush brush. A blush brush. Je vais utiliser quelque chose de différent. Je vais pas utiliser la même brosse que j'ai utilisée pour ça. Mais je vais utiliser ça. Il n'y en a rien en ça. Je sais que c'est la couleur, mais il n'y en a rien. Je vais utiliser ça. Maintenant, pour les yeux. Now for the eyes, we're gonna use my Big Shot. Listen, Makeup Shayla. I have everything yours, Shayla. I'm gonna be using Makeup Shayla X collaboration with Maybelline. Je vais utiliser mon Makeup Shayla avec. Now my eyes are starting to get watery, so I'm gonna let that calm down a little bit. So we're gonna move on to the lips. The lips. On va attendre pour mes yeux parce que c'est en train de pleurer un peu. Je sais pas pourquoi. I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Shayla. Makeup Shayla. Makeup Shayla. We're gonna use Season 10 as a lip color. And before we do anything, I like to underline my lips. Je me vois comme un modèle, hein? I'm just gonna use it just to define my lips. So now I'm gonna apply my lips. Attends. We gotta make this special because this is Makeup Shayla. Yo! Oh! This Season 10 is bomb, yo. Like, on dit quoi, hein? On dit quoi? C'est saison 10. Regarde, le rouge à lèvres. Huh? Je suis aussi chocolate. I'm already chocolate. You just put a cherry on top of my lips. Because red is cherry. Get it? No? Okay. And now I'm going to do my makeup Black Radiance highlighting thing. I love this palette. It's really good for highlighting. And I'm going to use this BH Cosmetic. And I'm just going to get that right there. And now we're just going to set the face. J'aime faire... C'est vraiment important que tu fais ça parce que ça va t'aider pour que ton maquillage ça reste toute la journée sans que ça s'enlève. If you already know makeup, if you don't know makeup, this will help your face set all day. And voila! I really like this lipstick. This lipstick is so bomb. C'est vraiment bien. Cette couleur, c'est vraiment joli. And congratulations to Makeup Shayla for these beautiful lip colors. I am going to try out the rest of these in my next video. So don't forget to come back on here and check it out. You're going to be Season 10 for real. I feel like I'm in love and hip hop right now. See, I don't know why everybody's talking about me today, but I'm gonna let you guys know that I'm not the type of girl to talk about, okay? I'm gonna just let y'all know right now. I feel like I deserve to be on Love and Hip Hop. I really do. I really do. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. My battery's about to die, so I'm just gonna get off here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.